Job of the day. We're back at S&K. I've got to do a shore up on a spare tire mount. Same style trailer I did the shore up on the other one. Same company, it just has two different trailers and it broke the same way. So I'm just S&K getting some scrap steel. What else do I need? I think I actually have everything in my van, but I'm going to get these pieces of scrap steel. Came in clutch last time. Steel acquired. Let's get to the job. Made it to the customers. That's just like his other one. Completely broken off. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna gusset the top, and then re-weld this on, sand it down, cap it over the top of that, and then do the same thing on this side. Cap it, weld it, gusset it. Let's get it. I got two gussets, two pieces of steel that I got from S&K. I'm gonna make gussets out of this. Mark it out. Gussets are marked out. I'm gonna mark these out. Last time I went to about right there. Give it to me, please. About half, yeah. Mark out the 45. And on this one, I went up and in. Then roughly mark out that same 45. Let's cut it. One gusset done. Top gussets are done. Find where I marked this. Mark it with an actual 45. Second cut. And clean the gussets. All gussets are clean. I was trying to outrun the rain, but I think it's hitting me now. Long pieces there. Obviously I gotta weld this back together and then sand it down, but get general fitment. Yes, I like that. That side's ready to go. Put this up and in like so, and have the gusset like that and fill it in. Cool. Let's get this tack back on and then sand down. Yeah, it just broke everything. Everything's prepped, all stuff's cut out. I'm gonna tack it on and then start welding the brackets on there. All tacked on, I'm gonna weld it. All right, everything's tacked on. Everything's gusseted out. I'm gonna start welding it out. Top gussets are done. I still need to finish this outside, but I'm gonna turn my welder down. Welding out the other side now. All done and welded. I still need to scrape the inside here, get all the BBs out, and then clean all this flux. cleaned up, painted black. Good, this job's done. All painted black, all secure, not going anywhere. They can put the tire on and not worry about the tire falling off now. I'm on to the next.